Hey guys, guess what? We bought a zoo.
What was that?
I said no, we didn't.
So where are we?
We at the zoo. I brought my husband to his home.
We made a day of coming to the Joburg Zoo today, so let's see what it's all about. Amazing sometimes what you say about zoos and animal enclosures and everything, but when we take a look at this hut over here, this used to be what they used to keep the lions in. One little cage like this for the lions. And we've progressed. We now have proper enclosures. I'll take you to it in a moment. Here's another example, the old polar bear enclosure, which has obviously also changed and now become home to the red panda, right there.
And these are dwarf.
Are they dwarf hippos?
Hippo would be this high.
No, but are they?
What did Jeff say the other day? Why did the giraffe cross the road?
To get to the other side?
Because we're too tall.
These guys are still babies though. They'll grow to be, I don't know, double this size. Pretty epic. It's refreshment time. So can we get one? What would you name him?
Ellie.
Who?
Ellie.
That is so original. So earlier on I showed you the old lion enclosure and this is a new one. So you can see there's 3 lions over there. That one's looking straight at us. All of this behind me here is all the new lion enclosures, and obviously they've had to have cages in between because the lions will have their different prides and groups and whatever else. But massive improvement, and it's beautiful. The lions are in amazing condition here. There were a couple down on the other side that is what you call a liger, so it's a cross between a lion and a tiger, but beautiful. Really realize how big these guys are. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful animals. thoughts about the zoo?
It was pretty epic. It was a really, really hot day, and that's why I got splashy.
Yeah, we were here for
Yes.
probably about 5.5 hours, and we didn't see everything, but overall it was
I think we
really
got
enjoyable.
most of all, but we didn't get to. We had kids with us, and the kids, you know how they
Oh,
are.
this Tunny here, I think she just took the wall with her.
Very, very
Oopsie.
tired, not she?
Anyway,
She just scraped her car actually. But yeah, we had kids with us, so it was a. You know how you try and keep up with the kids and try and run after them, and they do get agitated with the hot sun. It was really hot. I can
anyway,
see
we
I've
rammed
got
in.
some sun.
We did get some sun. Anyway, it was awesome. Now it's shooting to the camera shop, then shooting back to the house, going to shower, and then shooting all the way back on this side. We're going to go and meet up with some friends for dinner. So that's it from us. And that's so going in here. Anyway, we out.